We are oil-slicked birds stumbling into hazmat arms in hopes of being unfurled. In this pavement slab lottery called city, where lives are lost to intrusive thought, profit always trumps recovery. And so we perch on the roofs of A&E, seagull sick on salted poultry, how our grief is so sore and plenty. You will wake up in a nest of barbed wire, convinced you forged the spikes. They are only pulled out by the one scarred before you. One day, you'll create patterns in the sky, and the sun will bounce off puddles in the street. You will still grieve, but this time not alone. For all we have is each other. All we have is each other.